In the lunar calendar, today is actually the third season of winter called major snow. However, the weather continues to be pleasant and milder than usual. Tomorrow will be as warm as early spring. Daytime temperatures in Seoul will rise to 16 degrees, with 15 degrees being the nationwide average. As daily temperature differences are huge, please try to wrap up warm. The dry conditions on the East Coast area are getting worse day by day. A dry weather and strong wind warnings have been issued, leaving a high risk of large-scale fires. It's crucial to take precautions against wildfires. Tomorrow, Seoul will start off at 7 degrees. Busan will be milder at 11 degrees Celsius. By the daytime, sunshine will be ready for most regions. Highs in Seoul will get up to 16 degrees. Daejeon, Daegu, and Busan, 19 degrees. From tomorrow afternoon to overnight, a small amount of rain only in Gangwon-do province is in the forecast. Other areas will see sunny weather throughout the weekend. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.